Hi, well, we're at it. We're at it again.
Yes, here we go.
Here we go. This time we're gonna go to the Rainforest Cafe in Atlantic City, New Jersey. But we had to pick up Joan along the way, so we're gonna head down there and try it out, see what they got, see what it's all about. So join us. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can watch more videos like this. Take care and see you on the ride.
See ya.
I don't know what that means. That place had homemade soft pretzels, but we're gonna go to the infamous Wawa.
Yep. First stop, Wawa.
Like,
What in the world? It's not doing much.
looks like it isn't.
This is on the other side of these trees, right there. Flat bridge, but it's not possible. Flat, P-L-A-T, I think. I could be wrong.
Isn't this nice?
And I don't know if you can see the city, but that's Philadelphia on the left.
This is the Navy Yard.
I think so. And there's cars above us. Going that way.
That is unreal.
Yeah, they're going that way. We're going this way.
You never know.
Nope.
This is so long.
Yeah, it's a big one.
The stadium.
Not the buildings.
Nope, nope, that's where the Eagles play.
It's pretty new. Has, what, 15 years? 20 years?
Feels like it was yesterday.
It looks like it's not moving.
That's amazing.
And this other building here is where the Sixers play. That's where the 76ers play. And then off there in the distance,
We're near the run. Yeah, we're near the runway, so this is why we're seeing more.
Looks like it's It's remarkable, that's all it is.
can you see this bridge in front of us, Joan?
So we're gonna do like a U-turn. We're gonna go straight here. We're gonna turn around to go over there. Isn't that strange?
It is. It is. Knew that John liked it. Liked the Phillies baseball.
Oh,
And so he would take the same things. It was twice a week.
Well, there's still toll booths down here. They're doing away with toll booths, but Look at those arms going up and down.
These are your frames?
There you go.
Wow. That looks long.
His wheels are down. Yeah.
Now we're in New Jersey.
Now,
Yep.
I always officially say when I get to the white.
What's that?
This is shorter than that flat bridge we went over. Don't you think?
It feels
Yeah,
like it.
it
I
is.
think it's a little shorter.
Yes, we're on the right track. There says Atlantic City.
Flag on it or whatever.
So now it should get smoother. I remember going around this curve and then the road gets smoother a long time ago. We'll see if it still does that. Then you know you're really on your way to the shore. And way back when, I was the only one on the road mainly. It's changed a little bit.
One or two exits.
Right here, you can park your car, right? I don't see any cars there though.
No, not anymore.
Maybe they
They don't
changed
have
it.
Oh my.
How about that? There you go.
Oh, great. Look at it. Yes.
The windmills out there. That's something new. That's why the dolphins and whales are coming up on the beach. Oh, no, the ones that are in the water. But those are close enough. Really?
The windmill.
Forgot it's actually gold. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that one.
There's a Sheraton. And Caesar's is straight ahead, Joan.
Oh, yeah. I see it. That's
parking garage.
Look at that.
That might be new over here. Derek. Symphony of Dance.
Oh.
Okay, so we're now at the parking garage at Caesars in Atlantic City.
We made
So
it.
we had, yes, we made it. A little bit of traffic, but it wasn't too bad. Now we're gonna go walk across a little like
Breezeway.
breezeway into the casino, and then out to the boardwalk, and then over to the rainforest. So keep following.
Come along.
Video now. Hi. Made it.
Been a long time since we were here.
Yes, it has been, hasn't it?
Snap. Well, we should get a picture of all three of us. Wow.
Them cupcakes in there.
Cupcakes? Oh, you can get an individual cupcake. Hi, Joan. Go for it.
We made it to the Rainforest Cafe. As you can see, we're gonna go inside and get something to eat. Let's go.
Okay.
So when you come in the door here, the little foyer area, and over there they have where we took the picture of the monkey. And then they have the Rainforest Cafe. That thing right there is like a wind tunnel. You can experience 75-mile-an-hour winds. And then of course they have a gift shop. We'll check that out in a minute. Of course we have to scope out the monarch. Check out the monarch. Not quite a monarch, but it's representing a monarch. I was right. You go walk underneath the fish tank.
There's nobody in, I don't think.
Oh my God, isn't it lovely? Oh, I'm so glad you like it.
Joan got a fancy cup.
Oh, that's nice.
The monkeys will make noise on the elephant.
The poor things. All right, guys. How you like the storm, Joan? I like it. Yes, it's great, right? It does. The first time I heard it, I was like, oh my. I love it. I love it. I see you gonna need no Diet Coke.
Oh yeah.
All right. Are you guys ready to order?
All gone. I didn't eat the rice, but I didn't order rice. I ordered mashed potatoes. So I ate the mashed potatoes, but not the rice. This soup got better as it got cold.
This is tender.
Say it again.
This is tender.
Very good. Joan, how's your salad? Good. Caesars.
Back the last time. Is it? I think I would fall. Look at her go.
Yes, you need to come across over there. Okay, so that was the Rainforest Cafe mixed with a little bit of Caesars and a little bit of the ocean and the boardwalk and stuff. We had a good time though. So, like on the last one, everybody, one word.
Exciting.
Joan?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. And I'll say Rainforest. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn the little notification bell on so you know when we put something up online. But thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.